So hey everyone, this video I'll be explaining the design pattern, what they are and why they matter, and how they apply in real software system. So I'll go through 5 parts on foundational understanding, creation pattern, structural patterns, behavioral patterns, and applied analysis. So here in part 1, so here is explain what design pattern is. So for me, a design pattern is a reusable solution for a common problem in software design. So it's not actually code, it's more like a guide template that helps developer write cleaner and more organized na mga programs. So ang mga developer use patterns because it saves times, then sabod ng it avoids magbalik-balik ang mga mistakes, and patterns are proven to work and they make code easier to maintain. So create a structural and behavioral. So sa ato ang creational, they deal with how objects are created. So ano ni siya, para saan ang mag-order tag food sa atong restaurant, ang lain or someone else prepares it for you. Then sa naman sa structural, kung nagadil sila og kanang with how object are arranged or connected, like building with Lego blocks kana siya. Then ang kaning structural ay sa behavioral pattern is i-focus on how ang object gani mag-communicate. So ang iyan na is para sa ang kuan is ang example na isa ng a teacher. Ang teacher niyo is mag-give og instruction sa iya mga students. So ana ra siya. So part 2, choose a creation and pattern factory method or builder. So for this part, I use the singleton. So singleton is mag-ensure lang siya nga only one instance of class ang ina mag-exist, like only naara kay only ka naara ka isa ka control center sa imong for sa imong mga important na resources. So sa database connecting manager. So you want to multiple database control fighting for each other. So singleton is ensure siya na only lang isa ra gyud. So ang mga benefits niya hindi prevent niya mga duplicates na object o pod. Dali ra siya ma-manage sa mga shared resources. Ang iyang pod, iyang drawback of magamit ang singleton is ang pag-testing is lisod siya ay mag-create mo siya global dependency. Nga parehas siya permit. So here in part 4, part 3. So imagine na may system na where imo classes dili din sila magka work together because ang ilang mode is di mag-match. So kani si adapter is mo ni siya ay ang role ani adapter pattern is kanang mag-act siya as a converter gani nga translate sa one method into another. So incompatible classes para mag-work sila together. So kani si adapter is mo ni siya make sa incompatible things work together. Din kani si decorator is mag-add siya og mga new features. For example, sa imong system is ang nakutang nito is mastery lang nito. So kani si decorator is mag-add siya mga design. May mga light, bulbs, and stars sa atong industry and etc. So part 4, so observer pattern scenario. So think of weather situation, sending updates. So the weather station is the subject, then the phone, ang atong phone is or website widget is muna siya ang orange. Smartwatch is mo atong mga observer. So when the weather changes, the station notify niya ang tanan nga observer automatically. So they will constantly check it closer. So para sa NDR, so may mga mga weather na mga mga linog, so gina-update na yun magsirig din sa ato ang cellphone niya sa bakaya. Siya. So another behavior pattern guys, strategy. So the strategy is let's you change the algorithm easily. Example, a payment system that supports person ng GCash, credit card, PayPal. So you can switch strategies with long if else code. It improves flexibility and readability. Then sa atong part 5 naman, applied analysis. So here is assume you're designing an online delivery system. Identify the two design pattern you will apply and explain why they are. So first is sa two patterns for an online delivery system is first is ang atong strategy pattern. So for choosing delivery behavior such as a fast route, cheap route, or eco-friendly route. So it keeps atong code flexible and easy ra ma-update. Din sa observer naman, observer pattern. So real-time notification and tracking order status, rider location, and updates to user or dashboard. Then finally, so using many design patterns makes software better. So I disagree naman ay patterns helps only when needed. So too many patterns can make a system overcomplicated, lisod na basahon, hinay din full of unnecessary abstraction. And that's the full breakdown of the design pattern for basics examples to real world application. Thank you for listening.